Hello, everyone. I'm Leslie from HMN Technology. I'm very glad to meet all of you in Submarine Networks World 2021. I sincerely hope to see you face to face next year in Singapore. Today, I would like to share the latest technology progress of the 32 fiber pair submarine system. Firstly, I will introduce the good news that the world's first 16 fiber pair system is just ready for service. Then, let us focus on the gap between the violently increasing capacity demand and the current technology. So, to deal with the challenge, HMN Tech proposed a possible and trustful solution, 32 fiber pair transoceanic system, and we are delighted to share our latest product progress. Finally, I will share the plan of launching the product coming soon in near future and see how it brings us to an exciting Petabit era. Okay, let's begin with the 16 fiber pair system. The system on the left is Hainan to Hong Kong Express submarine cable system. It connects Hainan Province, Guangdong Province, and Hong Kong, China. As you have possibly seen in the latest newsletter, the world's first 16 fiber pairs repeated submarine cable system has recently completed commissioning and testing and is now ready for service. It also achieves a record-breaking system capacity of over 300 terabits per second, sufficient to transmit 57,000 high-definition movies every second. It firstly applies 16 fiber pairs repeater and a 16 fiber pairs branching unit in the world. Based on telegeography's data, in the past 10 years, the annual compound growth rate CAGR of global bandwidth has averaged 39%, which means double the total capacity in 2 to 3 years. Taking the Trans-Pacific and the transatlantic systems as examples, the total capacity of the existing network and planned cables is shown by the orange line. Based on the bandwidth used in 2020, if CAGR of capacity is 30%, the transatlantic submarine cable will be used up by 2026, and for Trans-Pacific case, it will be 2025. If the CAGR is 40%, it would be 1 year earlier. That means transatlantic in 2025 and Trans-Pacific in 2024. Considering most of the submarine cable systems commissioned around 2000 will be retired gradually, some planned submarine cable were used to replace the existing old cables, and most system owners will not light up all the fiber pairs or spectrums. So the actual traffic break time would be much earlier. The mainstream of existing submarine cable is less than or equal to 16 fiber pair. To meet the rapid growing bandwidth in the future, 32 fiber pair systems are required. With the development of transmission technology, the SLTE, which support higher line transmission rate, will be used in most new submarine cable systems. This will increase the capacity of single fiber pair. At the same time, the submarine cable industry is also adopting solutions that surpass the existing 16 fiber pair. The new 24 fiber pairs and the 32 fiber pairs submarine cable system will be mature and be applied in the next 1 to 2 years. With a larger capacity from SLTE and higher fibers in wet plants, a single submarine cable system will enable petabit capacity soon to meet the high-speed growth of the bandwidth demand in the future. Moreover, the era of petabits will come at least 1 year earlier by using 32 fiber pair system instead of 24 fiber pair system. After a period of development, HMN Tech has completed the technical research of the 32 fiber pair repeater, and now the prototype has been launched today. This is a milestone in technical innovation to realize the petabits level capacity in a single cable. As the picture shows, the new generation 32 fiber pairs repeater remains in the mature and believed platform, But we have achieved this significant break. As the picture shows, the new generation 32 fiber pair repeaters remained in the mature and believed platform, but we have achieved this significant breakthrough by improving circuit conversion efficiency, optimizing submersible plant structures, and component integration techniques. The 32 fiber pairs multiple 30 terabits per fiber is equal to 1 petabit per system, which is a record-breaking capacity. More importantly, the system capacity is better to meet the demand in the fast-growing areas, such as Inter-Asia and Trans-Pacific in the near future. To improve the number of fiber pairs from the current 16 fiber pairs, the most challenging issue are lowering power consumption to meet the system power feeding and optimizing structure design to fulfill the limited housing space. Firstly, we reduce power consumption dramatically. The new generation 32 fiber pair repeater only consume 80 watts, while the 260 repeaters need 110 watts within the same capacity. It saves 30% power consumption, and it also means an obvious reduction of product voltage drop. On the right, it shows how we improve the integration of electro-optical components. Previously, the traditional units are splitted, but the new design is highly integrated to save 60% space in the repeater. Besides the repeater, the whole families of wet plants are also ready for up to 32 fiber pairs SDM system. As for BU 1650, each port could support up to 32 fiber pairs. The hot switch function up to 18 kV for electrical fault isolation enables efficient O&M when cable faults happens. Facing the increasing complexity of U62 fiber pairs system, BU 1650 could configure with enhanced optical switch function to allow flexible fiber switching and achieve various branch extension scenarios. Speaking to the ROADM 1680, it could support 4 fiber pairs WSS unit with built-in EDFA to compensate for the loss. As for the fault isolation function, when cable fault occurs, the original traffic to the other station can be changed to dummy load to keep traffic confidentially. Again, the timely dummy light replacement could protect the traffic quality not to be affected in case of exceeding optical power. The 3-degree ROADM spectrum management design improves bandwidth usage efficiency. It could realize the bidirectional communication in one fiber pair with the cooperation of SLTE. Especially in the multi-branch cascading cases, bandwidth usage efficiency can be improved significantly. In addition, ROADM 1680 is quite manageable as both the trunk and SRM. In addition, ROADM 1680 is quite manageable as both the trunk and the branch SRM can send commands to the ROADM unit. The following functions are supported: add and drop wavelength inquiry and setting, optical isolation for the cable break on the trunk, WSS backup status inquiry and setting, attenuation inquiry and setting for single wavelengths, internal status inquiry. It supports the overall setting and the inquiry functions for all paths. Also, the full range of cable types designed for various seabed conditions with mature design is ready to support up to 32 fiber pairs. Regardless of the increase for fiber count, NTTS also get improved by 25%, bringing much better performance. Besides wet plants, improving the ability of dry plants is also important for further evaluation. When SDM going further, one of the recognized thresholds is system power feeding, especially single-end power feeding capability. To remove the 15 kV limitation, the system at least needs lower voltage drop wet plants and improved power feeding ability. As the picture on the left, HMN Tech has firstly launched 18 kV power feeding equipment to meet the transcontinental system demand. And now, the new generation repeaters are reducing their voltage drop. As a result, comparing with the previous about 25 kV system voltage budget, the current system voltage of a 32 fiber-pair Trans-Pacific system is only 17.5 kV. It can be fully fed by a 18 kV equipment with strong reliability of single-end power feeding ability. The traditional equipment has a relatively low conversion efficiency of 80%, and HMN new PFE improves to 88%, which is the leading level in the industry. 32 fiber-pair system also brings more commercial opportunities for open cable models. A neutral and mature platform is necessary to manage services for all users and monitor wet plans for cable owners. HMN Tech's Open Cable Access Equipment (OCAE) connects SRTE and subsea portions and provides both these important functions. Most importantly, it provides multi-vendor access in spectrum and fiber pair level, which means flexible bandwidth sales and a unified management platform. On the other hand, it has a reliable wet plant management and fault localization function. This brings secure and stable network routes for users and higher commercial value for cable owners. In the near future, 32 fiber pair system will promote users to purchase fiber pair rather than a spectrum. The OCAE will be a necessary foundation to grow new business models and the SDM revolution. In conclusion, technological progress has made 16 fiber pair system a reality and is pushing all of us to look forward to the new generation 32 fiber pair systems and its petabits era. In 2021, the first 32 fiber pair repeater prototype has been firstly launched by HMN Tech, and other wet and dry plants are systematically upgrading. Next year, HMN Tech will release the 32 fiber pair repeater and their solution. The advancement is going to accelerate the arrival of the petabits era of the submarine industry. What's more, facing more fiber pair system, more users are projected to purchase a fiber pair rather than a spectrum. The application of a 32 fiber pair system enriches the current business model. We are looking forward to the new world. Thank you for all your listening. If you are interested in a 32 fiber pair solution or other innovation solution, please feel free to contact me for further discussion. Hope all of you are safe and sound. Goodbye.